From the buyer's point of view, what is all this hoopla about? I just want to buy a home. That's right. So starting August 17th, all buyers across the country are going to be required to sign an agreement that says they are working with this agent. And the outline is like an employment agreement that's going to show you how much the agent is getting paid and the duties that the agent has representing your best interest. So why do you care? Well, here are some things that you should know about this agreement. Number one is the terms of the agreement, the dates, and all of that stuff is negotiable with the agent. You don't need to have a signed agreement to go and view an open house. Another term for BRA, I call it the buyer's representation agreement. You could also call it a buyer-broker agreement, representation, there are other names. Agreement outlines the nature of your employment relationship with your agent, that they have a fiduciary responsibility to represent your interests. The form you sign may be a state form, it might be a company form, or something from the local board of realtors. They can look a little bit different, but ultimately they are there to represent your interests. In this employment agreement, it's going to say how much the realtor is going to be paid. How does the buyer's agent get paid? So there are three options. The first option is that the seller can offer a concession to pay the buyer's agent. That's traditionally how it's been done. Number two, the buyer can pay for the buyer's agent in the form of at the closing table or directly. Number three would be negotiated, and it's a hybrid of both, where you would write in your offer that you're asking for some concessions to pay the buyer's broker. We are being very transparent about how realtors get paid. So ultimately, we don't want you to worry about this right now. It's in the best interest for our consumers. And it might take a little bit of fleshing out how all these forms work and explaining it to our clients because it is complicated. But ultimately, at the end of the day, we're working for your best interest.